Oh, shoot. We're gonna fight the toolbox?
Probably.
Oh, let's get that grimy toolbox. Hang in there, tool buddies! We're coming to save you!
Oh my god, what the fuck are we supposed to do?
Toolbox, stop playing hard to catch! You'll never get away with this, you stupid toolbox!
How'd you get over there? Oh, you're down. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh my god.
Elena, where are you at?
I didn't know I was supposed to go over there. You left me. Oh, shit. I'm Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, I saw. Wait, what do I do over here? How'd you get over there?
What do you mean? You have to jump on there. Stop
Oh my
nailed.
God.
What are you doing?
He's nailing me.
Jump over.
Okay, what do I do over here without getting
Jump on that. And then you have to immediately jump. Oh my god. So you jump on it and then you immediately jump over to the right. Bro, you have to get on it first.
Oh my gosh, okay. It's gonna take me a while. Give me a second.
Okay. Wait.
Oh, no.
Go. Jump over. There you go. Bruh.
Okay.
Hurry up. Just run.
Oh gosh.
I need you to aim.
Oh gosh.
You have to aim your nails.
I did.
Oh shit, no! Okay, stay alive.
Okay. I already aimed my nail.
Why can't I get up there?
Double jump.
He's getting away! Faster, May, faster! I'm trying, but you're a bit heavy-headed.
Okay. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh. Oh,
Hurry up!
goodness,
We
I'm
can't
sorry,
let my
dude.
friend die!
Oh
Shoot,
my god.
I was pressing the wrong fucking button the entire time.
Fine. Oh, shit, the nail hit me. Oh my god, the freaking nails.
Other way, Selena.
Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry, Dad. I'm trying to take an idea. Oh my God. That was...
Wait. Jump. Go, jump. You have to jump. Stop, jump. Stop. What the fuck? Why did you jump off the machine?
Okay.
Wait.
Getting delusional.
Jump. Bro. Okay, are you ready? Follow me. That's fine. One hit is fine. Come here. No, Lena! What are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. What the heck? I'm jumping.
No. Oh my god. I'm gonna come get you again.
No. Just stay there. What the heck? I'm jumping.
Just watch me. Okay? Watch my screen.
Okay.
Well, go over here so you don't die, and then watch my screen. Like that.
Okay.
Go. Jump.
Oh my God.
Are you lagging?
Oh.
I think you're lagging because there's like no nails there and you got hurt.
Oh. Yep. I like. Oh my gosh.
Okay. So you see, come here, stand here.
Oh. Okay.
I'm gonna hit that, and then you have to throw the nail up there so you can get over.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Oh my gosh, why is it blocking?
Selena, I need you to throw the nail. Like, I can't.
I threw the nail. Just because I'm not trying not to get hit by the nail. Oh, shit. Oh my god, that's pretty hard.
Oh! Hey! He's right there!
Get on. Selena.
Oh.
Throw it.
Good one, Cody!
Holy shit, that's stressful.
Hit him with your nail.
Oh, shit.
nails on there. Bro.
Oh! Shit.
Ah, fuck. You have to help. Yeah, you have to hit his thing down and then put it on the arms. So I can swing over.
Watch out!
Ready? God damn
What?
it, Jelena.
I jumped! Hold up. Oh my god.
Okay, ready?
This looks bad!
God damn it, Jelena. Throw your nail, throw your nail, throw your nail, throw your nail. Okay, throw your nail over here. Ah, fuck. You took too long.
Coming!
Throw your nail, throw your nail, throw your nail. Right here, right here, right here, right here.
Ah, don't make me pummel you, Cody!
What?
Not on me.
You were standing right there.
This looks bad!
Throw your nail, throw your nail, throw your nail, throw your nail. Okay, throw it over here, throw it over here. Throw the next one, throw the next one.
Let those tools go!
Okay, one more. What the fuck?
How is this not coming?
This toolbox is crazy!
Yeah, next time I'm buying a smaller one.
No kidding! Ah!
Stay alive, please, stay alive. Get ready to throw your nail. He's coming, he's coming.
Heads up!
Throw your nail, throw your nail, throw your nail, throw your nails. Throw the other ones, throw the other ones.
Hold on tight!
Oh my god, what the fuck?
We're gonna crack you open!
Oh my god. It's stressful around. Wow, what a badass.
That's gotta hurt!
You're gonna have to throw your nail on that. The handle.
Oh shit. Oh.
Can't we talk about this store?
Bruh.
We're long past negotiating, Cody.
Oh shit.
I think I'm gonna be sick!
Get on there.
Oh, I have to get on there?
You have to get on there. Get on there, 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 get on. No, no, get on the panel, Selena, the panel.
Okay. Oh my god.
Get on the panel, get on the panel, get on the panel, get on
me!
Why do you keep going to the yellow? Get on the paddle. Get on the paddle, get on the paddle, get on the paddle.
Hit the spray can!
Hit it. One more.
Good on there, Cody!
Oh, shit.
We're running out of real estate here!
What? Where are we supposed to go? Oh.
Hang on.
Something good up to it. What the heck?
Get on. Throw it. Another one.
Oh my freaking shit! I hate this game.
Hop on!
Get on.
Finish off that spray can!
Get on.
Oh my freaking shit. You know what? Taking a break. After this one, we're taking a break. Holy shit. This is so bad.
Hey, look at them!
Oh, wow.
Yes, I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. Ooh, it tickles. It tickles. Ha!
This does not seem
There
appropriate.
you go. Thank you.
Like whole game doesn't seem
Woohoo!
appropriate.
I feel brand new! Look at me! I'm whole! I'm whole! You saved us from that rust and toolbox! Thank you, May. You are a true hero!
Oh, thank you, Hammer.
Hey, what about me? Huh? I was part of this too. Where's my hero love? Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to Rose.
Oh, of course, of course! Sebastian, can you help him out? They have to get to the other side.
What?
Ooh,
Wow.
flexible.
Step on board.
Really?
Okay, you sure?
Come on, it's safe.
Okay. Ooh.
They hate
This doesn't
us.
feel safe. I'm not sure.
Just
They're
relax.
gonna throw us further away.
Don't worry,
Excuse me.
he's very precise. Sebastian, sling it!
Because we neglected them.
Yeah.
Oh no! She's leaving!
Rose, wait! We need your help!
It's us! Mom and Dad! Don't close the door!
No!
Bruh, I would burn that book.
Rose! Oh, you stupid book!
Paul, you've locked us in, you idiot!
Now we're stuck in here.
Stuckness is a mental construct. If you stare at the closed door, you will miss the one that's open.
Okay, FYI, there is only one door in this shed.
And one window.
Good thinking! May! Woo! Let's go to the window! Woo!
Book is out of his mind, okay?
Okay,
All right.
I'm done. We're
Okay.
done. What? How do we know what chapter?
I don't know. You just
Or-
continue later, I think.
Well, thanks for playing with me. That was